I'm Napoli Paul, and today I'm coming to talk about Salva Kiir, the president of South Sudan, and his speeches. Most of the time I find that his speeches are very weak and discouraging to South Sudanese people. In one of his speeches, he said when he started rebelling, he drove with the Land Rover, and on his way, he had to push the Land Rover to the stream in order not to be identified. And before he left the stream with the friends, he promised the Land Rover, if he still alive, he will come with Land Rovers. And he said, look at South Sudan now. How many Land Rovers do we have? Which means he fulfilled his promise. From 1983 till now, many people died in South Sudan. Many South Sudanese died. Some of their houses were shut down because nobody left. Every Sudanese now lose their families. Cousins, brothers, sisters, parents, children, everybody. Did he apologize? Did he fulfill what they were up to? Is it not disappointment? And he promised the Land Rover, not even giving apology to the people, to the human being. What kind of president are you, Mr. Excellency? And just this month, April 2021, when he gave his speech in one of the states in Bor, he said a lot of problems in South Sudan, which is true. And he said, when I wanted to walk, people are pulling me back, which means he cannot walk. Anytime he started, pull back, which means push and pull, right? And he gave the example in his language that there were two people who, trying to escape from the lion. They got the tree and tried to go to climb the tree. But they were pulling themselves until both of them were eaten by the lion. That tells you both have to be eaten and somebody else has to come. Because we cannot all be eaten by the lion. All Sudanese. South Sudan is not a playground where you pull yourself up and down, up and down. There are people who are far away from the lion. They can at least do something or save the family, save the children. If you are pulling up yourself like that, that tells me you are very weak. You are very, very weak president. If you say that word, discouraging, you think you are entertaining people, but this is not entertainment. This is discouragement. And we are all angry. People are all angry. These are the facts. You said it. And it is true. But you have to be eaten. Not all the South Sudanese can be eaten like that. Until when we are push and pull. It is time to think. Think twice. If this is how Sudan can be, then better. You say, look here, I cannot go ahead. Please, somebody has to go. That is good of you if you can do that. And people, I think maybe look again on what is going on in South Sudan. Who is pulling you? And what did you do in the first place to be pulled? I didn't see anything that you did. Also, go ahead. You're pulling yourself. Nobody pulls you.